sa talaga sa
Hindi ko ba talaga pwedeng puntahan si Papa?
Teka lang, alam mo yung sitwasyon. Nakita mo yung ginawa nila kay Sir Raf? Paano pa sa'yo? Paano pa sa papa mo?
Kaya nga, mag-isa lang si Papa.
Pag pinuta mo yung papa mo, ano naman magagawa mo? Wala, di ba?
That's not my business. I want to be manageable. Yes, because my husband know what I'm doing, and nothing wrong with what I'm doing. Okay, so better you shut up, Jimmy. Sabot. Your mother never loved you, or your sister. If she did, she never would have told you. What? Really? Really? My mother loves me so much. My mother loves me so much. My whole family loves me so much. What's my life? My life is not miserable. I'm contented with my life. Okay? Hi, nako. Hi, nako ni mo, Jimmy. Bakay mabuhat sa imong kinabuhi. Pagbigti. Pagbigti, bakay mabuhat sa imong kinabuhi. Dong. Can I see your kilikili? Why? Why? Your mother didn't love you, Jimmy. Ki-speakan dako. Dami ka. Taon. Dami ka bukbukon, Jimmy. Luoy po, Jimmy, pod. Huwag nagmahal. Luoy po, Jimmy. Wala'y nagmahal. Luoy po. Hindi ka mahal ng mama mo. If her husband agrees to it. Yeah. It's our channel. And nothing wrong with that. My mom didn't wear me out. Can you see? Huh? It's my choice to leave another house because I have husband already. Okay? Because you don't have wife. That's why. That's why your life is miserable. Miserable. Come Trinidad. Where's Trinidad? Ay, kaluoy pod.